Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a very quick, easy and healthy recipe which is fruit salad with sour cream, which will be very creamy and delicious. And friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more yummy recipes. And now let's get started with this creamy fruit salad recipe. So first we shall start chopping up some seasonal fruits. Here goes one green apple. I'll be using half of it as I'm making this salad for 2 people. Now cut them into medium portions like this. Next goes half of a red apple. Cut them in the same way. And here comes the king of fruits and everyone's favorite, mango. Cut them also into medium portions. Alright, I'll now transfer this to a bowl. And along with this goes some green grapes, some cherries. Next goes some pineapple chunks and some pomegranate. Next take a bowl and into it goes 1/3 cup of sour cream. Then goes 1 tablespoon of honey to balance the taste. Next take a whisker or a hand beater and whisk the sour cream well for a minute or so till the sour cream turns fluffy. And our fluffy and delicious sour cream is ready. And now we need to add the creamy, sweet and delicious sour cream into the bowl of fruits. Toss this well so that the sour cream is well combined with all the fruits. And our creamy fruit salad is now ready to be served. And here goes our quick, easy and healthy fruit salad with sour cream. You can enjoy it right away or keep it in the refrigerator for an hour and enjoy it chilled, which I'm going to do. I will add some more pomegranates and 2 cherries on top. And here goes our yummy bowl of fruit salad. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious fruit salad recipe with sour cream. Also to share your feedbacks, and if you enjoyed my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.